In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Woocommerce plugin in WordPress effectively. For many online entrepreneurs, Woocommerce is the doorway to selling products or services online. Woocommerce is an open source e-commerce plugin designed for WordPress, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to set up an online store using the WordPress platform. Let's start from the very beginning. After you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, which is the control center for your website, you'll see a variety of options down the left-hand side. One of these options is plugins. Plugins in WordPress are tools that you can install to add new features and functionality to your site. Think of them as apps for your website. Once you've clicked on plugins, you'll find yourself on a page that showcases all the plugins currently installed on your site. Now it's time to add a new one, so look for and click on the Add New button. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory, which is essentially like an app store for WordPress plugins. Now comes the crucial part, finding and installing Woocommerce. In the search field, type Woocommerce. You will see a list of plugin results related to your search query. Look for the Woocommerce plugin by Automatic. It should be one of the first results. Woocommerce by Automatic is the original and most comprehensive e-commerce solution for WordPress. Once you've found the plugin, you will see an Install Now button near its name. Click this button. WordPress will then download and install the plugin for you. This process might take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Just a little patience will go a long way here. After the installation is complete, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. This is an important step, as installing the plugin isn't enough. You need to activate it to use it on your site. Click on Activate and WordPress will initiate the plugin, integrating it into your site. Upon activation, Woocommerce often launches a setup wizard to help you through the initial store configuration process. This wizard makes setting up your online store straightforward by guiding you through the essential steps, like setting up your currency, payment methods, and shipping options. It's also worth noting that Woocommerce comes with several built-in features to manage your products, orders, and customers. However, one of the real strengths of Woocommerce is its extendability. There are thousands of extensions and themes available specifically for Woocommerce, which means you can add new features or change the look of your store relatively easily, whether it's adding payment gateways, subscription capabilities, or even integrating with other services. Woocommerce's flexibility is a huge advantage. At this stage, you're well on your way to adding products and configuring your store settings according to your business requirements. Woocommerce provides detailed documentation and support to help you manage your store as it grows. Remember, the key to a successful online store isn't just in setting it up, but in continuously optimizing and adapting it based on your customers' needs. Now that your Woocommerce plugin is installed and activated, you can explore the vast array of customization options available to make your online store truly unique. From product layouts to checkout processes, Woocommerce offers a comprehensive set of tools to help you design the perfect online shopping experience for your customers. In conclusion, Woocommerce is a powerful and flexible e-commerce solution for anyone looking to sell online using WordPress. From its easy installation process to its extensive customization options, Woocommerce provides all the tools you need to create a successful online store. Remember, the journey doesn't end with activation. Explore Woocommerce's features, play around with different settings, and don't be afraid to experiment with extensions to find the perfect fit for your business. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on how to make the most of your WordPress website. Happy selling!